Hi there. Think becoming a crorepati, having 1 crore in wealth is only for the rich? Think again. Even if you come from a modest income background, this dream is very much within reach. Thanks to one powerful tool called Systematic Investment Plan or SIPs. Today, in this video, I will show you how something as simple as 2000 rupees a month can grow into 1 crore. If you stay consistent, patient and strategic, let's dive into the video. Hi there, welcome to holisticinvestment.in where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. For many of us, building a 1 crore corpus sounds like a distant fantasy. But here's the truth. It's not just possible, it's achievable. All it takes is a disciplined plan and a long-term mindset. SIPs have completely changed the game for everyday investors like you and me. They allow you to invest small amounts regularly in mutual funds, tapping into the power of stock market returns without needing to time the market. Just look at the numbers. In April alone, SIP inflows hit an all-time high of 26,632 crores. That shows how confident Indian investors are becoming. As Joel Greenblatt once said, the secret to investing is to figure out the value of something and then pay a lot less. So now let's talk about compounding. It's the silent wealth builder that turns small steps into giant leaps over time. Say you start a SIP of just 2000 rupees per month. Over 30 years, assuming a 12% annual return, your total investment of 7.2 lakh could grow to 61.62 lakhs. That's over 54 lakhs in returns. And if you keep going, your money just keeps working harder for you. You're not just saving, you're building wealth with discipline. Albert Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. So don't underestimate the power of small amounts invested consistently. Let's say 1 crore is your goal. Here's how to get there. Option 1, invest 2,833 rupees per month for 30 years at 12% annual returns. Your total investment 10.2 lakhs. Your final corpus 1 crore with nearly 90 lakhs in returns. Option 2, prefer to stick with 2,000 rupees per month? No problem. Just extend your investment horizon to 35 years. Your 8.4 lakh total investment could grow to 1.1 crore. Do you want to reach your goal faster? Then simply increase your SIP by 10% each year. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference without straining your finances. And remember, always account for inflation and taxes in your long-term plan. You don't want to fall short just because you ignore real-world factors. As Alexa von Tobel puts it, a good financial plan is a roadmap that shows us exactly how the choices we make today will affect our future. So what is the final takeaway from this video? Warren Buffett once said, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. And he's right. Becoming a crorepati isn't just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who's willing to start early, stay consistent, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. So if you have been waiting for the right time to start investing, that time is now. Do you want a clear, personalized roadmap to reach your 1 crore goal? Then click the link in the description for a free consultation with a certified financial planner. Let's turn your small SIPs into big dreams together. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your 1 crore journey.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.